rule is the Kirchhoff's rule in voltage means that the sum of the potential difference or voltage difference, potential differences across each element around any closed circuit loop. Is 0. So again, one is related with junction, another related with the root of the circuit. So that equal to summation of delta V equal to 0. So remember the root. So this particular rule is practical rule. It's not that much theory. Just tell you this is like a cookbook style engineering type of thing. So using a diagram, using a circuit to do the job. The circuit is this circuit problem. Because the physics 31 student, so we usually using this as test problem. In particular, this one is on the example. For this is 21.9. Example 21.9 is related with the circuit on the other pages. On the pages 705. On page 705, this figure diagram is equal to 21.22. So here is the circuit. So here it is voltage on the top, and this one here. And I have two battery. One battery in this side, another battery on this side. It's a plus, minus, and here has the resistors. This is called I1. And then here is another resistance, in which case this one is equal 4.0 ohm. And this one is a 40.0 volt. And this one equal 10.0 volt. And here I have another one, in which case is 2.0 ohm. Ladies and gentlemen, when you're solving this, you have to identify each element. In the book, it gives you like this. But for you, you have to identify each element to help you to solving problems. For example, you have to define what is I1, what is I2. For example, this one is I2 going in, this I1 is going in this direction, and here on this junction is called C. And then this one is called I5, I3. And this is I3 too. Now, more than that, you identify voltage. You like to identify this is V1 and this is V2. The next thing you do, you have to identify with the number one, you define current. Number two, you define voltage. Number 3, you have to define resistance. So now you can say the resistance, you say, how about this one? This is R1 equal to, use a capital, R1 equal to 6.0 ohm. And then R2 equal to 2 ohm. R3 equal to 4 ohm. So you have to identify each components by proper representation of the stuff there. That will help you solving the problem. So that's why I so insist. You're solving the problem without a diagram. That means something is wrong. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. It's up to your imagination. So for example, in here, the sum of this is equal to 0 according to the what we call the junction rule. So in that case, as this going in, I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Just like that. Yeah.
Why is I2 going downward? Isn't the voltage like negative in that direction?
You assume.
Oh,
You assume the current goes this way. But what if you assume is wrong? And when you're solving the problem, the I1, the I2 will become negative.
oh,
This is called algebra, right?
right.
Yeah. And then you go through the root. You can root here, and you can root here, or you can root the whole side. So in these cases, on the page